What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we got a new rebuild, and as much as I would love it to be mine, it's not. But we're given the opportunity to work on this brand new CTR. I think this thing has like 5,000 miles, and it's a 2024. As you can see, the damage is mostly here, and it doesn't look that bad. These are, I think, plastic radiator supports. So it would be nice if we could just put a RAS support on it and just move on with life. But I can see that this thing is pointing at me, so it's probably not gonna be that easy. If you look around the car, it looks like it has some aftermarket wheels, and they took like these wheels off of probably like a 7 Series BMW and just threw it on. So I'm interested in seeing what it had, because these are, you guys can't tell because it's dark right now, but these are carbon fiber fenders. So whoever owned this was definitely some sort of like racer, and this thing probably looked decent. So right now we're just gonna unload it, and then once it's on the ground, we'll take a look at the rest of it. All right, so Brother Curvis is here now, and we had to remove the BMW wheel that was here because it's scraping against the caliper, and we were just trying to save it from getting, more scraped up. And then we saw that the frame rail is bent like a U. If you look right there,
This section right here. This is supposed to be straight.
it's pointed completely the other way.
It's shifted to the right, so.
So right now we're just trying to find a way to space out this wheel so we don't cause any more damage to the caliper. I mean, I think we're just gonna remove it, hang it up somewhere.
Maybe
And that'll be the best case. The wheel. We can't. There's literally there's only this much left. There's already heading against this. So if you space out enough the wheel's too narrow. It's hitting on, like if we look at the wheel right here, it's hitting on the inside of the wheel.
We would have to try to.
So the wheel's too small. So that means it won't clear whatever size this is, like a 17, 18.
And what's on this one?
Same thing. So same problem. See if we'll start.
Go ahead, coach.
It's cover. You need to find one that has the whole freaking. What's happening?
Do these things have a pyro fuse?
That's what I'm thinking. They don't have a pyro fuse. They don't?
Where's the other jump pack?
It's gonna be beeping if we do that.
Why you need another jump pack?
The starter's not even cranking.
Not clicking or anything.
Press and hold again, or 2 times it will cut off.
You ready?
Yeah. Alright, so in the trunk. Oh wow. So authentic.
It looks like the radiator.
We already did this off camera, so there's really nothing here. There's the stock radiator that you could tell is almost brand new. Like it has like whatever these things are called, like little scrapes on the fins, but those are not like result of an accident, as you guys can see. Like look at this side. Look at this. That's the outside actually. So it's mint. So unfortunately, if we go to the front, we will realize that when we try to start the car, we realized it wasn't cranking or anything. And Brother Curvis realized that this plug was here. And this plug, along with this plug down here, where is it? There's another plug here. There's 2 of them, but these are for the ECU, and there's no ECU. So the guy took whatever radiator this had, he took the ECU, the wheels, all the badges, and God knows what else. Oh, they also cut this thing here, this ground wire, and whatever harness this is right here. It goes to the battery. So unfortunately, we're not able to start the car, but the car only has 4,000 miles. So when you give it power, if we could give it power right now, we'll go inside. You can see it only has like 4,000 miles. Just hit the power button.
It says it's somewhere on there.
That's not coming up right now.
Well, the auction said it only had 4,000 miles. It only had 4,000 miles for the sake of
Yeah. When we were recording, we missed when the mileage popped up, but now looking back at it, in the first couple seconds of the clip, you could see it pops up, and if you could read it right here, it says 4,274 miles. Inside the car, this thing is broken here for whatever reason, but if we could open this door. Like, the interior of this thing is pretty nice. The guy even took the floor mats. So the floor mats are missing. You got the all red seats and stuff.
I love these interiors. This is sick.
So, oh wow, the back seats have side airbags too.
Yeah.
No, but this is side plastic.
Yeah, these. I believe you could just get away with ordering that little piece.
So all the airbags are gonna have to be replaced. They're all blue. It's pretty cool. So with that being said, guys, welcome to, I guess, the new rebuild, and we'll keep you guys posted as we go on. Right now, we're gonna try to see if we can find the old owner. If maybe they're not, obviously this video's gonna go after we try to source them, but maybe they're not as much of a scumbag and they'll sell us the ECU or something. So that way we don't have to buy a new one and get a program. So that's it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.